welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of the name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
Let's begin the letter T, and we're using a 4.5mm size G crochet hook with care 1 pound. Let's start off with a slip knot, and you're going to chain a total of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let's begin row number 1. So we're just going to go second chain from the hook and turn it over and get the back hump and just single crochet all the way down the chain. So we're creating the base of the T first. Okay, and that will take us to the top of the T. But we're not done. We need to create the cross beam that will do the T. So you're going to continue with this, and you're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Second chain from the hook, you're just going to go across. And then into the top of the bar there. And then you're not done. You want to create the other side of the top of the T. So all you're just going to do that is that you'll chain another 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then second chain from the hook. You're going to come back towards the center. So once you do this side, you'll slip stitch then to here, and that'll create the cross beam. So this will be the tail that you will use to sew it down to your project. So just kind of tighten things back up. Okay, and just kind of form it. And then the other tail that you want to use is the beginning tail, and you want to get rid of that out of the way. So I'm finding with this particular pattern that when things are sharing the same stitches, it can leave an open space. So use your yarn tails to your advantage to kind of just jumping across them just to kind of pull them together. And just weaving the ends back and forth inside on the back side of the T. A total of 3 times is ideal. And when you're sewing down to the project, it'll also help it get stuck in a position too. Okay, and then the other tail you're just going to leave when you're ready to sew it down to your project. That's the one you'll use, and that will be the letter T.